So TPS sensor is right here. Look at the screws. No room at all to get in there. So we're gonna have to take this out, I believe, in order to get the TPS out. So let's see how it goes. Where can I put this? So there's one 8mm here on the top, and a second one that I cannot reach. All right, so I would like to film on this, but it's not working. What else is new? That's what happens when you buy a GoPro years ago and never use it. Batteries don't work. So I'm replacing the TPS in a SN95, 1994. So I can't reach, this is the TPS right here. This was in the way, so I had to pull this 8mm. There's two of them there, but I can't get it. It's way under here and way too much stuff. I can't be bothered, but I was able to pull this up. Sneak this just out of the way, I guess, in order to get those screws out. All right, so try it. All right, I got this out finally. Fucking, what a nightmare. So we just gotta pull this. So probably can't do it with my phone in my hand. Let me try to put you somewhere. Hey. So different numbers. I don't know. I'm sure it's the wrong one. Why would I ever have the right one? So this goes here. Son of a... All right. Let's fight these screws back in. All right, got that back in. I just pushed this back into place. Hopefully, I don't know. So I've read that these, this year, when you replace it, the computer will recognize it automatically. So I don't know. I know the Fox bodies are supposed to use the multimeter. I'm gonna try it anyways on this, but I've read that you don't need to. Who knows? I'll see if I can pull something. I believe it's a middle wire in this car. I don't know. I'm not an electrician, but they all look the same to me. So we'll do a key on, engine off. Yeah. Shut that off because it's gonna connect and drive me nuts. Oh, come on, man. Shut off, please. Can anything just work, you know? All All right, let me get the multimeter. So I couldn't figure out the multimeter, so I'm just gonna start it up, see what happens, maybe take it for a ride. Yes, I just climbed in the passenger seat because I got these 26s in the way. Know what I'm saying? Oh boy. So seems to be driving pretty good. What was happening before was that I let off the gas in third gear and it would just hold there, almost like it was going back. It was almost like a cruise control. So my check engine's on. I feel like it's always been on. I can't remember. It's been this is just after the winter, so it's been sitting. So I hope that fixed it. I will update the video, report back.